Day 20 of being a chef on a yacht. For breakfast, I made a frittata with spinach and sausage and some stewed apples. On top of the apples, I put a little bit of Greek yogurt and cinnamon. It was July 4th today, so I tried to make everything patriotic. Even Thurston joined in on the festivities. He ran all around the beach just like this. The guests were on the island today, so I used some leftover short rib and made it into a beef and barley stew. Then I got started on dinner prep. I baked some cornbread and then started seasoning up my pork ribs. I let these go low and slow in the oven for about 5 hours. I have a lot of puff pastry still in the freezer, so I decided to make a cream cheese and raspberry Danish for tomorrow morning. I skinned my potatoes to make potato salad, just with some mayo, vinegar, salt, pepper, and some green onions from my garden. Also made a little bit of coleslaw. And for dessert, I'm really trying to use up the puff pastry, so I put over vanilla custard and decorated it like an American flag. Made some red, white, and blue Miami Vices for cocktail hour, and then started cutting up my pork ribs. Served with corn, green beans, baked beans, coleslaw, and potato salad. Decorated it all with American flags, and dinner served. Brought out the dessert, and they loved it. Bye, little chef.